Dí the cairde, agus fáilte rovarás, heag Féile, Iarthar Feile Líne. Seo ceacht a hocht. Ceacht a hocht. Ocht, ceacht a hocht. Imsir. Imsir. Weather. The weather on Imsir. J Martin Imsir. J Marta. J Marta on Imsir. J Martin Imsir. J Martin Imsir. J Marta on Imsir. J Martin Imsir. Gamai. Gamai. Che. 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 La che. A warm day. La four. Oh, tasha four. Four. A moich. Outside. A moich. Tasha four. 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 Okay. Tasha corfaranye. Tasha corfaranye. Tasha cor. Tasha corfaranye. Tasha corfaranye. Right now, Tasha corfaranye. Raining. Last night, Visha. It was Visha a corfaranye. Amwarach tomorrow. Beisha corfaranye. Beisha corfaranye. So, Visha a corfaranye. Pasha a corfaranye. Beisha a corfaranye. Sha gaifwer. Tasha gaifwer on you. La gaifwer. A windy day. Pa la gaifwer on. Or la gaiach. You might hear both. So ta la gaiach on. It's a windy day. Pa la gaifwer on. Gaiach, gaifwer. Agus la shaka. La shaka means there's frost. Okay? Tasha korshaka. Literally, it is freezing. Icha haka, a frosty night. Muid haka, a frosty morning. La shaka, a frosty day. So, ta la brolach on. La brohalach. It's close. Didn't bear it or
Overcast.
Gerald?
Overcast.
Yeah, brohalach. Brohalach. It's one of those. What's the word? It's warm. It's hard to breathe and all that. That's brohalach. Brohalach. So ta la brohalach on. Okay. Ta la flio on. La flio. La flio. And you might want to say to the children, Con ye ma's and yochlach. Con ye ma's and yochlach. Stay away from the wet, as in a slotan, maybe a puddle of water. Con ye ma's and yochlach. Con ye ma's and yochlach. Get out of the rain, get out of the wet. Okay? So an Imsir. So a kersnachte, it's snowing. A korfaranye, raining. Tasha sjallu boisti, it's lashing down, raining heavily. Tasha sjallu. Agus tala chiramon, it's a dry day. Níl shakar. It's not raining, níl shakar. And you might want to say as well, tatirwan. That's a bright spell after it has been raining. Okay? So tatirwan, the rain has stopped. It's nice now. Tatirwan. Okay? So that was Ceacht a Hocht, and it was on Imsir. And I hope you got a few new phrases there as well. Okay? So, slán!